Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Crunchyroll Premium free trial. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open your browser. Then you should search here for this website that I'm going to type right here, codefind.org. Then click on this one right here, the first option. Then it will jump you directly to this page. You just have to click on this search bar right here and search for Crunchyroll, as you can see. And now I have it. You just have to tap on it. Then here it will show you that there are 8 coupons left. When you try this method, you may find more than 8 coupons. It doesn't actually mean that there's only 8 right now. No, they may renew the coupons left. So you can use it anytime. And now what you should do is to simply click on show coupon, then click on unlock code. And after that, it will take a while to unlock you the whole code. You just have to do some tasks in order to unlock the code. And now here, as you can see, it asks you to take the test and learn how to make money. You just have to install these 2 applications. And by this way, you can open the coupon and get it and use the Crunchyroll free premium subscription. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.